My name is William Osmond. This is my farm, and my dream is to one day grow 1 billion sunflowers, 1 trillion strawberries, deliver and package 15,000 packets of soda for the Kickstarter campaign that we did. And any other dreams? Oh yes, my biggest dream is I want to spend 24 hours in a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility building whatever I want. My name is William Osmond too, and I like to party. Do you guys also like to party? You guys excited?
Hell yeah.
You look fully kitted out. What's the long thing?
These are zip ties. Zip ties.
That's a real thing?
Yeah.
Where? What? Hello everyone. How are you doing?
Howdy.
Nice.
Good to meet you.
You ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you have any expectations?
I thought BattleBots maybe because of the sheet metal.
No, BattleBots. We're not doing combat robots.
I hope we get to do, I do woodworking, so I'm hoping we get to use some of the woodworking stuff.
Maybe. I'm not in charge of that. If you ask nicely, they might let you. I mean, the whole point of this is that you don't have to actually do anything yourself. We have granted you access to maybe an S-tier mechanical production pipeline that I think you will never experience in your life ever again. They have the world's most advanced pipeline for getting parts from your computer to your hands, and right now you have quite literally the most unfettered access to that pipeline that anyone will ever have. Hello everyone. How's it going? Hi. What are you guys doing here today?
We don't know yet.
Good.
They won't tell us.
I think we should probably tell you what you're gonna do first though. Go-karts. How about you come over here right now and just pick your bicycle? Send all the every person on your team send as a representative. That way we have as many people over here as possible.
You get a bike, you get a bike.
What are you thinking? How are you gonna choose your bike?
I'm trying to get the most girly pop bike.
Girls just want to have fun.
I agree. So you get to use all the parts off of the bicycle. You can cut it up, you can, throw it away, you can do whatever you want.
Should we start stripping?
No, please don't start stripping.
No, the bikes.
Thank you for asking first off.
Okay, we'll keep this really short, but every machine on the floor that we actually have staff here for the next 24 hours to make all of your parts. Basically, the moment you order it, we'll have a single account. We'll give you the credentials for it. You can log into our system and order. That includes metal laser cutting, up to inch thick plate, and steel, aluminum, and stainless.
I like to make stuff. All my friends like to make stuff. That's why we started Open Sauce, and it's why we do the Sauce-a-thons. Doing cool things with cool people that don't matter. It's like, what if we just did this, and then you do it, and then one day you die, and you'll be happy to have done all these cool things in your life. So one of these Taylor-Duns is more powerful than the other. And I don't mean that from like a horsepower standpoint. See this tire's flat? Oh no, I gotta get an air compressor. But my air compressor is in there. And then I gotta get a power cord out here. But we don't have to do that, right?
No.
Check this shit out. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna take this switch right here, and I'm gonna flick it. Oh, I just pull the air hose out. Is this not the greatest shit ever?
This is quiet wealth.
Yeah, this is
some
silent.
Jeff Bezos.
Yeah, this is Jeff Bezos. No, this is Jeff. Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
No. All right, now John sits on the back and he just holds
on.
Yeah.
Are you strong enough, John? Maybe. Okay, we're going. Okay. Backing it up. Oh, I went the wrong way. All right. Oh. It's in my glove. What does that mean? Did it find a gopher hole?
I think it found a gopher hole. Notice how there's no water flowing on the ground.
Dude, that poor gopher.
Oh my God.
Dude.
That's a big gopher hole.
That's really sad. Yeah, so the Taylor-Dun's broken. Completely broken. The fire pump's broken, maybe completely broken. Nothing fucking works. You know, the controller just clicks. Like the contactors are doing something and then the battery voltage drops down. Like, is that the motor? Is it the controller? Still going.
Should you like spray off the Taylor-Dun now? Or?
I was thinking, Senpai,
Yeah.
can you take me to the car wash? Please. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Why do we get stuck every time we come down here? Go forward. Turn left. Roll. Yes. Yes! Off-roading gods! Did it die?
Yeah, it's an 8% battery, and it won't go now.
Very interesting. We need a third Taylor done. Wait, we have an 8,000 watt inverter, and we have shore power. So if I turn on the inverter and I plug this in.
Is it charging?
Yes, it's charging. All right, beep, 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 beep. It's nice fixing something that somebody already made. Or I should say it's easier than making something from scratch. I have great news. We have just cut our first part. No, we've sent our first part. John, come here, come here, come here, look at this. So I have made this shitty little leg. I sent it out. This would have cost me $25 if I had to pay for it myself. Let's go pick it up. Oshka is a company that sells parts. So you upload your files to their website and they send you parts. So you send your files in, and you don't even have to send flat files. You can send 3-dimensional files, and the system will automatically detect if it's possible for them to make it and then charge you and ship them to you. Hello, I have placed an order. That's it. What do I do now?
So I'll go through, release it to my guys.
You're gonna release the job?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for you.
I love this. I just hit a button and now the machine shop has sprung into action. Are you cutting my part? So when it's ready to cut, it just pops up on the web interface?
Yeah, let's pop up right up here.
So it just told you what sheet to get?
Yeah.
Like a cutoff? The system knows it. The Oshcut system, the computer knows where all the offcuts are. And so he's gonna get one of the offcuts to cut my part so they don't have to put a whole sheet on it. Because my piece is like this big. Oh, so it's doing an auto nozzle swap? Whoa. It's gonna spend more time changing the nozzle than cutting the part. So fast! Holy shit! That is insane. Oh yes, there it is. Perfect. Kevin, you're not gonna believe this.
What?
Your laser cutter is a huge piece of shit.
No way.
That's
Hey,
right.
oh.
In only one simple step, they were able to cut this piece. Like there's like almost no kerf on it. Do you know how fast it cut this? It was like 8,000 miles an hour. It's fucking crazy.
What?
It like automatically picked up a new nozzle.
Yeah.
And it spent like 30 seconds doing that. And then it spent 10 seconds cutting the part.
How many times did you have to change the protective window?
0 times.
0 times? It
Yes.
didn't burn through the laser once?
It did everything on its own. And it only cost probably $250,000. John, I'm noticing a lot of birds. And you know how much I fucking hate birds. I know you really hate birds ever since they killed your whole family when you were a child. We should probably collect our sunflower seeds before the birds do, is what I'm trying to say. Oh my God, they're just decimating our sunflowers. But we're not too late. So we're just gonna take this. Should I have cut it lower down? Did I fuck that up? I'm sorry. I actually don't really know what I'm doing. I have like half a plan right now. Should we have gotten like a tub or something? Is this stupid? Why am I putting this into the bag if I'm cutting the sunflower off? Kevin said the bags were to protect the sunflowers. That's all I got. I think we'll just do all of these. You know, I remember planting 1,000. You remember planting 1,000, right? Where the hell are the 1,000? There's like 50. No, something ate all the seeds off of that one. Is there a reason for me to be sticking them in the bag? I'm not really sure what the theory behind this is. Like, what if we just stick them in a bucket? Like, they're already super dry. Like, I think we can just get the seeds out of it. What if we just get a bucket? We just need a bucket. You wanna get a bucket? I'm gonna get a bucket. You go get a bucket. Why you go back different way? Why you get such a small bucket? You gonna throw it? All right, I'll catch it. Throw it as far as you can. Hey, it's not bad. All right, my plan for the sunflowers, I don't really have I don't have a solid plan. I just have a kind of best guess for a plan. What if we just crumble all the sunflowers up and we don't pull the seeds out or anything. We just mush it all up. And then we have this slurry of sunflower seeds and organic material. And then we just plant that. When were we supposed to plant them? Do you remember? Oh, right now we're supposed to plant them? Oh shit. Like right now? Oh, go get the big bucket. Fuck! Oh no! I dropped them all! Shit, it's because you got too small of a bucket. It's all your fault. Oh, here, I'll trade you. Holy shit! This thing's a fucking monster! It's the size of the bucket! It's the size of my face. It's fucking huge. It's so strong. Look, I can't even tip it over. Oh my God, and look at that. And look, it's a lid for our bucket. That is the biggest sunflower we've grown this season. So what I'm trying to do is, because we're making go-karts and I'm stupid, I'm gonna make one that walks. The original plan was to build a CVT, and then we realized that the CVT transmission we had designed it actually lowers, it's a lower gear ratio, and bicycles have a higher gear ratio, so we would be making a go-kart that went really slow, and we didn't want to do that, and so instead we're gonna make one that walks really slow. I'm gonna make one, I don't know what Kevin's doing. He's on your team? What are you doing? You just bossing him around?
Sorry, John. This is cut by yesterday. Let's go, chop.
Oh,
Look at this. Imagine if I had like this in the garage. This is great. All of this aluminum, so organized. Wow.
It tells us the size of dies that we need, size of the size of the punches and the dies. Okay, that's all good.
This is the first draft. The second draft. I'm working on my third draft of my leg mechanism. Look at that. We're almost done. Now let's go out and wait for our parts. How much is the machine? Is it like $1 million machine or what?
1.1.
1.1. Holy shit. 1, 2, 3. I think version 3 is the last version. I think this is going to be the version of the walking that works. Hi, Michael. What are you making?
I don't know yet. Let's stop here. Figure time.
Fuck.
Square.
Fucking square hole won't go in the circle hole. Okay. Okay, and then we crank that, and our robot walks. Yeah.
Funny thing is, so like, I was combining with John.
Oh shit, it fell apart. Fuck.
I think it's just making a
What's
car.
funny is like,
A car?
Yeah.
I am making a car.
I don't
I'm making a car. My car has legs instead of wheels, asshole. I have 2 hours left to finish my bike. What are we calling this? Go-karts. And as you can see, mine's over here. You might be asking, what did I spend all night doing if it wasn't sleeping? And I'm thinking the same thing myself right now. All right, there's 2 hours left. How is it going?
It's less than 2 hours.
Okay, less than 2 hours left. How is it going?
it's, yeah.
You got no handlebar, no steering, no pedals, no bolts.
We need to bolt this.
No balls, all ass? How are things going? This doesn't look much like a vehicle to me.
No, it's got steering and everything, and 4 wheels.
How do you power it?
With the pedal.
Oh, so you just like bash that against the ground to move forward? Holy shit, mother of God. You guys had access, unfettered access to one of the most high-tech advanced machine shops in America, and you built this. Tell me about it.
Ask that guy.
Oh, he did all, oh, wow. What's it like under the bus?
What's it like under the bus? It's in the shades, which is great, I think.
Yeah, check out my new whip.
This thing fucking sucks, dude. You know, I was just saying earlier that working on something that already exists is good, but like this is turbo shit, and they better have fucking changed it. I don't know how you put this thing together without pulling the whole fucking pump assembly off. Like, I'm like prying the hoses apart. Like they used, whoa, that's a really long screw. And you can't, nothing swivel. There's like three of these, or 2 of these. These are the only ones that swivel when you screw. So you can't unscrew anything else. How do I unscrew that fucking thing with the fucking thing right there. We are mere hours away from seeing how fucked up this pump is on the inside in only 20 more minutes and 400 times taking the wrench off and then rotating it a tiny bit and putting it back on. We will know the verdict. Oh my God, dude. You know, engineers are really all the worst, aren't they, Kevin? They make things in CAD that the computer's like, yeah, sure, I can do that. And then it goes to the machine shop and then they drink. That's why they go home and drink. There's probably other reasons, but it's one of the main reasons is the engineer makes their job 10 times harder. You know, I think every engineer should work in a machine shop for at least a decade of their life.
They should have to make the part.
They should have to make the part themselves. And if they can't make it themselves, then they get fired.
Oh, wait. Wait, is that why the motor wasn't actually turning this whole time because that wasn't locked in?
Ah! Look at the shaft doesn't spin. Fuck, we took the whole thing apart.
Oh my gosh.
Does it come off?
Did a key get sheared or something, or?
I don't really understand what's happening. Oh, it feels like shit. I need like another wrench. I need 12 different wrenches.
Oh no.
Was this illegal?
Oh Jesus.
Wow.
I don't want to hold this anymore.
That Allen key did like a full 90-degree rotation.
Wait, did it cam out the flaps, like the D shaft? On?
Yes, it did. The D has been destroyed.
Mm-hmm.
What am I looking at? This looks fine, right? So why is it all shitty and broken?
Why wouldn't it spin?
The pump vane, and this is like brand new. I just bought these. It's completely cracked. I don't know if you can see that. On the inside is a big line right there. Completely cracked in half. And there's like shit embedded in it. I'm like, this thing is sucking up like just lake water
and just like smashing it into the plastic. It's not even like it's not putting a groove in the plastic. No. It's just smashing it into
grinding it in. How are we gonna replant the sunflowers? That's a good question. Seems as though the ones that grow the best sort of just grow on their own. I think we just don't do anything and they'll come back. You know, I feel like anytime we try to do something on purpose, it just never worked how we want it to. So what if we only did things on accident? I don't think that's a good strategy. I think what we should do is we should live our life without trying too hard, right? Because if you live your life and you try really hard and then you fail, like that sucks. Like if you don't work hard at all, then you're gonna starve and that's bad. But if you work too hard, then you just work too hard. So what if you just work right somewhere in the middle and then if you get lucky, then you succeed? Hey, what are you doing?
Trying to get my scooter working. I want to make it self-balancing. Like imagine a one wheel where it can't flip.
So that you don't wheelie?
So that I don't wheelie, or I have wheelie control, so I can always ride.
Why don't you just turn the power down?
But I want a wheelie. But I want to hold the wheelie up at an angle and just coast.
For who?
For me.
Okay.
For the girls.
All right, I'm in. HackerMan has entered the system. I've connected, and it says it's old. It has old but mostly compatible firmware.
It always says that, so don't worry about that.
Set up IMU. We do not have an IMU connected, but we have an IMU right here. This is a 6050 IMU. It is one of the cheapest, shittiest little IMUs you can get on Amazon. It uses I2C to talk, and we're going to do that right now.
So which port does it go into? This one?
It goes into here, but I think what we should do is we should take that connector out. Actually, we should just turn this off.
Oh wow, look at all these got totally mangled.
Dude, that's...
Must have gotten caught in the motor.
You seen this shit?
There's a button, you could wire the button up, but the button it's so short, you know?
Because then the button would have to be dangling right here by the wheels, and that's dangerous.
It is.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
We can pull out the leads from this, shove them into that one, leave the connector attached here, or switch to one of these other connectors, and then we can have a nice connection to the IMU that we can disconnect. So my plan for this part is that flat metal is weak. What happens when you make it not flat is it gets strong very quickly. It's called the moment of inertia. It's why I-beams have all their material on top and bottom and not a lot in the middle, is the further away you get your cross-section from the bending axis, the stronger it becomes. So we'll see if it's strong enough. I did zero math, zero calculations. I slept nothing, and I CAD'd everything. That's not true. I have not CAD'd everything. There's still a shit ton more parts I have to make. I made the walking mechanism, a second walking mechanism, because there's one on each side, is being made right now. Then that has to get sanded, polished, and assembled. Then I have to figure out how to mount the walking mechanism to the chassis. This is the chassis, it hasn't been made yet. And then I have to figure out how to get the steering connected to the chassis. Those parts are being cut right now. Basically, what Oshcut let me do is everything in CAD, and then just send the parts out.
Okay, update on the roller skates. They're coming along pretty good. All I have to do is get these final straps welded on. So here, this is what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, like that. The strap goes on here. You know, you get the idea. It's straps.
Kevin, the problem that I have right now is we have our chassis, we have one of our foot fetish modules, and what we don't have is a seat or pedals. And I have, based off of simple logic, deduced that the seat's not very important, and the pedals are in fact important, because even though you had a seat, it would be nice to sit down. The whole point of this thing is to move. Okay, we have slipped in every last order. I think that we might just have enough parts to put this thing together, and watch the magic happen. There will be no fumbling, I pray, or I will. I will. That goes in there. Oh, and it just fucking fits. And then we ram it in, that goes in there. Oh my goodness gracious, this is glorious. Where's the bike? Oh, I need that. If this all fits together, it will be nothing short of a Christmas miracle. No fucking way, let's go, it's working. It's working. All the CAD is just working. All the wasted time, the thousands of dollars of someone else's money spent machining parts. I mean, look at this fucking pristine military level of precision. I'm out of time. Says who? God? Is someone gonna stop me, or? If no one stops me, I won't stop. I'm consistent. The first step was to attach the accelerometer to the go-kart, so we got that on there. The second step was to write a script. It's a Lisp script that's being interpreted in real time by the VESC, and it controls the motors and the tilt angle. If that's not the scariest shit you've ever heard.
This is how scary it is.
So what it does, it looks at the IMU, and if the IMU starts leaning backwards, it starts throttling the throttle down. It starts restricting the amount of throttle you can give it. So this is not like the full wheelie mode. This is like the soft wheelie mode.
Yeah.
And then if this works, we'll program the hard wheelie mode, which lets you get up to like 35 degrees and then slows you down quickly and tries to hold you there until...
So just like a nice, long, slow wheelie, just balancing.
It's a software wheelie bar. Dude, this is how fighter jets work, man. Big wings, stable. Tiny wings, big fat fucking computer, because this thing is literally a rock with a jet engine strapped to it. Ready to die?
I'm ready. Ready to kill me?
You have basically as much as you need to get into trouble. You have 100 amps forwards and 50 amps back. Is it holding?
Oh!
Is it holding?
Yeah.
It's totally working? Should we go on the street, or wait, where do we go? Is that it oscillating, or is that you pull? So it's, okay, see that's the problem, is that if you just have it linearly controlled, the further you lean back, the less throttle you get oscillations, because it's like not enough throttle too, and that's what the control loop is for. And so what you do is you take that, and then you stick the control loop on top of it, and so now we can basically say, hold here, do not exceed, and if it's exceeding it, it pulls it back, and if it's not hitting it, you give it a little bit more. Let's go! Okay, we shortened the position, shortened the range of the deceleration. Interesting results. Interesting. That was full tilt down.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it's so sensitive. That's why you need the PD, you need the loop, the control loop to like catch that and see the difference. All right, should we throw the PD loop in there? All right, I'm the cameraman now. Yeah. Okay, the PID loop is added, or sorry, the PD loop is added.
Oh, okay.
And then, yeah. Is it kind of working?
Yeah.
Wait, that was all software?
Yeah.
Let's go!
So this is full throttle.
That's full, so it's just giving you a little bit of a bump every, wait, that's actually perfect! It works so good!
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay, so I think we gotta give it more beans. Oh, here's the man. Here, take your shit back. I fucking hate this job. Yeah, let's give it, I'm gonna give it more P. Give it 4 P. No, let's be smart. Should we be aggressive or smart with the P?
I forget what the P does, the proportional.
Yeah, a proportional is more aggressive when the air changes, so it like should prevent the dolphining, but it can also cause over oscillations and overshootings. All right, this is more aggressive P. I think I put P of 4, it used to be 0.5. You see how it's catching you more quickly?
Yeah.
That's fucking awesome. What is that?
Is it a hummingbird?
Is it a hummingbird?
No, it's a giant moth.
Oh, it is. Oh my God. That moth looks so juicy, like a gusher. Ah! There's a lot of dust coming off of it. Is that normal?
Moth asbestos.
Dude, ah! Catch it in the bucket and I'll smack it with the wrench. Is it flying? Is it just hovering? I don't understand.
Oh, wait, whoa.
Is it in a web?
Whoa, there's a spider.
No, what the fuck is happening? This is awesome! This is the coolest shit ever! Oh, it got away! It got away! Get back in the web! Get back in the ring, you piece of shit! That is a big moth.
That's a juicy fella.
dumb
Look at that. With the bitch sniffer 9000 antennas.
Holy shit! Oh, wow. See that?
Did it clean it?
I mean, no, but like the water's really dirty, but the parts are really dirty too. So what does that mean?
Well, there's no more grit. A little bit.
Oh, there is more grit. Shit.
But it's loose. I think you can just rinse it off.
Okay. Amazing design. Oh my God, there's just huge gouges in it. Like, does the set screw? Is the set screw gonna work?
Nope. Oh yeah, you can see where the set screw like gouged into the
Slipped out.
shaft. Yeah. I mean, it might work. It worked before.
For a little bit, but why did it come out? Did it get loose? I don't know. What's your idea?
You drill halfway into the shaft, halfway into this piece, and you put a pin in there, like lengthwise.
How do we do that?
You drill.
Drill press?
Yeah.
Kevin's idea to fix the shaft problem is to break all of his drill bits. So you ready to break all your drill bits?
I'm ready for you to break my drill bit.
How many drill bits do you have?
I have 2 that are that size.
I'm very excited to break all of Kevin's drill bits. You know? It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
No, now you gotta jam the key. Or,
In the vise?
yeah.
Hey, look at that. If that shears off, then there's literally nothing we can do.
You can drill more holes. I would maybe drill 3.
3? No way.
There's some slop in there. I don't like that.
That's what I was hoping that we could get the set screw to work. So the idea is that that pin is engaged positively to the coupler and to the shaft. So when you twist it, it doesn't want to spin, but it comes out easily and it's much more secure than that shitty fucking set screw. Genuinely, this is a big ass piece of metal.
Yeah.
And somebody thought it was funny to use a tiny little baby like 1024 832 set screw to retain all of the force.
That's like 10 horsepower.
It is. I think that motor's like actually 8 horsepower.
Yeah.
8 horsepower through a set screw. Are you shitting me? I don't know, it feels
Pretty good.
yeah, what
But I just want to pop it up more.
do you want me to give you more angle? That's so good.
Tilt back though. I want to like,
You want to go more?
yeah, dude. I want to like balance like straight up.
Well, how far we're gonna have to saw those off to do that. I haven't cut all the way through. This is the only safety we have. Are you sure you want me to finish the job?
Send it. I'm gonna give you credit. That was hard to do.
That was a pain in the butt.
Yeah, holding it still like that without it bucking forwards or backwards.
It takes years of experience.
All right, give me like 20 degrees.
Oh fuck, we're changing it. Let's go. You know, I think it's pretty rare to even find a street that you can drive up that's 20 degrees. The ladies are here, the ladies are here. You got one shot. We have to impress the ladies or they're never gonna respect us. We have been working very hard to impress the ladies with our newest contraption. We call it the Kevin might actually need this for reals if it goes wrong.
Come here, Brett.
Go-kart.
So if he gets hurt, like
he'll actually need to have a mobility scooter. All right, send it, Kevin, full throttle. Shit, I knew we should have detuned it.
No, I got this.
Was that cool?
I got this.
Should we detune it?
You told her she was gonna get a surprise.
This is a surprise. Kevin, he's our man. If he can't do it, no, come on, give me something. Yeah. Let's go! It worked! What do you think? We made wheelie mode. You just hold the throttle down and it holds it. Unless you lean back too far. I think this is a huge success. Yeah, I wanna do it.
William! No!
What?
No! You're not allowed to do this.
What? I'm fine.
Are you kidding me?
What?
How does it look, John? Is it bad? Am I gonna make it? Maybe. Oh, okay.
So we allowed the PD loop to go backwards and it works better, and then Kevin wanted to see how much better. And then he went about 20 feet that way.
It was tilted back like this much, going backwards at 20 miles an hour. And I'm like, what do I do?
Slam your skull into a car.
What do I do?
I'm just gonna send it. I need a JoJo Siwa pillow on my back too.
It's race weekend, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Here's Michael Reeves.
Yeah, so we're Team 2. Our bike is Team 2's bike.
Team number 1.
I hope we don't die.
Racers, are you ready? On your mark, get set, race! Let's fucking go, yeah. Whoa! Oh wow, Drift Strike came out with a lot of...
we have a collision.
Drift Strike came out with a lot of motion, but it seems they're stumbling a little bit on the J-turn. I'll tell you what, team, guys, it's not a nail biter. If you don't know what it is, it's not that. Oh, he's gonna get decapitated.
Yeah. Let's see if he can manage the parallel parking, and he's done it.
Yeah, we'll count it. Hey! Where is Team 2? Oh, he may not have finished first, but he's going to finish fast. Or not at all. Yeah. You know, I think the problem is they didn't turn the JBL speaker on.
I think you're right.
Whoa!
If you like this kind of stuff, there's two things you can do. One is you can come to Open Sauce to exhibit.
Team Pants Shredder, can you tell us a little bit about how your team got that name and why?
Well, so let's just say don't film behind me.
Team Third Wheelers, can you tell us a little bit about your design?
Yeah, we have 3 wheels.
Cool, you heard it here, folks. 3 wheels on this device.
Submit something that you've built to the application portal, which is up right now. Show us what you've done. Send us pictures, give us a description, share your YouTube channel, and you can come to Open Sauce for free to share your project with everybody that attends.
The turning radius looks to be 85 feet in diameter from Team Pants Shredders. Who knows if it's a limitation of the cart or a limitation of that man's body.
Or if you can't make it to Open Sauce, every few months we travel somewhere new in the United States and host a Sauce-a-thon, where you can apply and show up and build something cool over 24 hours. If you would like to be on the wait list for Sauce-a-thons, the email link or the sign-up link is down below in the description.
If there's a will, there's a way. I always say.
Just push the table.
Thinking outside the box.
3, 2, 1, go! Woo!
Okay, the Red Rocketeers showing off their reverse mechanism, but not their traction.
Oh wow, this looks difficult for both teams. A turning radius of 80 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Red Rocketeers has hit the ramp. Oh, they're in speed mode and they're trogging along.
They're showing why they're named the Red Rocket.
If you like making stuff and you want to support people making stuff because you don't have time to do it yourself, you can right now buy children. You can't, fuck. You can buy tickets for children. The ticket is for the children. You don't buy the children. You go buy tickets for children to go to Open Sauce, and they can earn them through Hat Club. This is a tax-deductible donation, a 501c3 that we've partnered with to bring kids to Open Sauce in exchange for them building cool things and gaining engineering experience. We do not sell children. God, what a horrible set of words that came out of my mouth. I have questions about your bicycle.
There's nothing that says this is against the rules. It's human powered. I can turn, I can back up. I'm not going to touch the floor.
Are you going to win?
Oh yeah, and it's small. It's small. Am I going to win? I'm not going to come in last place.
How are you going to handle the monster truck?
Let me see. Where's my poles? I'm just going to do the like the guys that go down the hill really fast. This.
Volunteer God, tell me about your contraption.
So I built this between 8 p.m. and 3 a.m. I am losing my voice. I have talked so much.
Can I ask about why your camera is pointed straight at your crotch?
That's where you hit me with things earlier.
Whoa. On your marks. Get set. Race.
Caleb, Volunteer God, looking a little tipsy. He's going fast, but maybe in the wrong directions.
Kevin reminding us of the Olympic all-star skater Apollo Anton Ono as he comes down to the slalom.
Oh, he's coming in for what I think might be the most dangerous maneuver. The skull, oh, he clears the dome crusher!
That might be our record
Unbelievable.
time.
Unbelievable. What do you think?
It is a fantastic mechanism.
It's a great piece of art. It's
certified trinket.
It could be a coffee table. It works, but it's a very fickle. You see the kunk, 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 kunk.
Yes.
It's like when you spin it fast, you can see that the yeah, and then you get a jam. Oh, the whole coin fell out.
Yes.
Yeah. But you can if I hold it up and spin it. Here, go on this side. This is so fucking confusing, and I don't know how it works. You know, if I had one more hour, I could have made my cart work. There's something crazy about building stuff like that, though, in that kind of a crunch, is even if you have 24 hours, you don't actually work really hard the whole time. There's something, at least for me, you get squeezed towards the end and you start working really efficiently and you just slash and rip and tear and you start doing things, you know? You don't care, at this point, it doesn't matter if it's good or not, I just have to finish it. But if you were able to put yourself in that mindset from the beginning, you would be able to build anything because you would just go, 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 go. I had fun. I think that was an enjoyable experience. It was sort of a torturous 24 hours trying to make something that I had no idea how to, yeah? What? I'm down here.